Imagine you're searching for answers in a world where information is vast but fragmented. You want clarity, speed, and intelligence. This is where Google Gemini comes in. Gemini is a next-generation artificial intelligence model developed by Google, designed to process complex data, understand context, and generate helpful responses. It's not just a chatbot or search tool. It's built to handle multimodal input, meaning it can understand text, images, code, audio, and more, all at the same time. At its core, Gemini leverages powerful machine learning and deep neural networks. Think of it as a digital assistant trained across countless documents, books, images, and conversations, learning how humans communicate and think. When you ask Gemini a question, it analyzes your words, considers related concepts, checks for accurate information, and crafts a response that's clear and relevant. For developers, Gemini provides APIs to add smart features into apps, translating languages, summarizing documents, generating code, and even analyzing pictures. The major advancement Gemini offers is its ability to combine reasoning and creativity. It can write stories, debug software, create artwork, or explain scientific concepts by connecting dots across sources and formats. Security and privacy are also emphasized. Google designed Gemini to minimize misinformation and protect sensitive data. In summary, Google Gemini aims to be the Swiss Army knife of digital intelligence, making complex information accessible and helping users work smarter, learn faster, and create more easily. As AI evolves, Gemini represents Google's ambition to make knowledge universally useful, trustworthy, and accessible to all.